Hello everyone, I am excited to announce that I have successfully completed my first task during my internship at Kotlin. The task involved creating a simple calculator app using Kotlin for Android. This project allowed me to apply my programming skills and gain hands-on experience in mobile app development. Let's break down the key aspects of this project. The project aims to create a functional calculator app for Android devices. Users can perform basic arithmetic operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, using a visually appealing and user-friendly interface. The XML layout file defines the visual structure of the app using a constraint layout. Text views are used to display the calculator title, user input numbers, and the final result. Numeric buttons 0 to 9, arithmetic operation buttons plus, minus, asterisk, divide, the equal sign, equal symbol, and a clear button C are organized in a grid layout for easy user interaction. The main logic of the calculator is implemented in Kotlin within the main activity.kt file. UI elements are initialized and click listeners are set up for numeric and operation buttons. State variables number 1 and number 2, track user input, and Boolean flags add, sub, mul, div, determine the operation to be performed. Calculations are triggered when the equal button is pressed, and the result is displayed in the appropriate text view. The calculator supports basic arithmetic operations, and users can input numbers using the numeric buttons. Clear button C resets both the input and result fields, providing a convenient way to start a new calculation. Toast messages are used to provide feedback, such as when the input is cleared. The app is designed with a visually appealing background image and styled text/buttons to enhance the overall user experience. The grid layout ensures a structured arrangement of buttons resembling a traditional calculator layout. The project follows the standard Android project structure, separating XML layout and Kotlin code in their respective files. In summary, this Android calculator app combines functionality and aesthetics, providing users with a straightforward tool for performing basic mathematical operations on their mobile devices.